Morning, folks. Jeff from RvDiagnostics. It's Saturday, like July 10th, 2022. I don't know, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, something of that nature. I want to go over something. A lot of you RVers out there are second or third owner RVers of the RV you purchased. New to you, yes. But I would say 80% of them that are being bought, the previous owners were not very good preventive maintenance folks. Or they just bought it and went camping, twice in the summer. I don't know what the scenario would be on yours, but some of you are very lucky, like the top 2%. Like if you were to get my RV, a 99 Beaver, I'm very anal on it. So everything gets checked. Before I go out for a road trip, I spend 2 days going through everything, and yeah, it might be excessive, but it's in pretty good shape. So, where's this leading us to? Well, one, you're now the owner of that RV. And RV means repair vehicle and read volumes of information. Now, I helped somebody yesterday that's owned an RV for over 2.5 years, and they didn't have a clue where their disconnect connect coach relay was. Folks, I'm very good at troubleshooting, but I can tell you this, I get all kind of different RVs in my garage, and I don't know where half the stuff is. At least if you get a Winnebago, they have a good Winnebago site. It ain't that bad, but a lot of you have a hard time interpreting, excuse me, their wiring diagrams and what type of wiring diagrams there are. There's the physical wiring diagram, like it shows a ghost image of the RV, and it'll say, hey, this is the driver's front view, or something of that nature. And it'll kind of show you where the stuff is. Folks, that doesn't really mean that's where it is. Y'all finding that out. Please, if you own your RV and you're only going camping once in a while, you need to spend a good weekend pulling out drawers, going underneath the coaches, travel trailers, taking pictures of everything. It has a part number, looks like a box with a module, everything. Like you got a touch panel, you unscrew it, pull it apart, and it's got like a part number in the back of it. Take a picture of that. Look it up. Say, oh, that's the toe tickler circuit. So at least you know where it's at, or the toe tickler module, excuse me. And the other one is the Quest wiring diagrams. For y'all, you need to really put a whole heart search into wiring diagrams. So, for all those out there that have the wiring diagrams, I would really like a favor out of you. The RvDiagnostics Troubleshooting Facebook page is going to hit 27,000 members this year. Very close to it right now. My website special is over with. That was doing pretty good. I was going to give you 15 months for the price of 12. And first time you use me, you save that. I'm trying not to raise it to $150 a year. It's still at $112, I believe. PayPal gets a good chunk of that, and so does the IRS. So folks, the first time you use me, it's paid for itself, all right? And yes, a lot of you don't know what you're doing, and I'm going to help you learn that. But it goes back to preventive maintenance. So a lot of times when I'm doing the videos, you're going to hear me, even though it might come up, oh, hey, today's video is on a toe tickler circuit, or toe tickle module control slide. You need to watch it. Even though it doesn't pertain to yours, you're going to learn some preventive maintenance. I'm going to say the word preventive maintenance, okay? You've seen me. I come back from camping at one time, and I have a Norcold 1200 LRIM, with ice machine and all that good stuff, whatever. And I took it all apart and cleaned it on the inside. And I kind of showed you the fans that were in there that I mounted. So you might say it's a little anal, but it's what I do. You pay a lot of money for these things. So if you're going to be one of these that what we call camp and go. Like some people that have a car, they just put gas in it and go, and eventually the light comes on and says low engine oil, and or whatever that light is you want to call it. So please, we need, with the cost and rising cost of everything and the availability of parts, we need to get better at preventive maintenance. Please, folks, watch all the videos, because I've been lately doing the troubleshooting of it, and then I say, hey, preventive maintenance of this and this would have prevented it. That's the word, prevent it. I was out the other day, and somebody had like their ACs on, and then they started their generator up, and then slam, you could hear it. That transfer switch on the generator side sounded like a lightning bolt went off, because the compressors just turned right on. Folks, when you're using your transfer switch and you're hooking up your 50 amp service, do not have nothing on. The only thing that should be on, and most depending what model you have, you can turn it off, is the inverter converter. All right? So that'll come on. So it's going to draw maybe 2 amps. That ain't too bad, all right? So there you go. I don't know what to tell you. God bless you out there. Have a good time camping. Folks, please watch the videos. A lot of new preventive maintenance stuff coming out. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RvDiagnostics. Early in the morning, I got my coffee. Here's a coffee mug from my daughter. Dad, you are my father. Get it? It's like, what's it? Darth Vader. I don't know. God bless her. All right. Take care, folks. This is Jeff from RvDiagnostics. Put down comments below. Give me a thumbs up, folks. Thumbs up. Hey, I like it. If you didn't like it and you give me a thumbs down, put down why you didn't like it. And also, safe travels and may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Don't forget about the garage and the school. I'm getting ready to branch that out, believe it or not. Thank you for the success. Folks, I can't make too much money because now I'm on Social Security and retired, but I am having fun. All right, and I'm having fun helping you learn. All right, folks, I'm out of here.